It's a beautiful sunny day, about to go on the road, and I'm going to take you guys along. So follow along with me as we get on the road and ride to our next destination. Come on, guys. I just want to speak to the heart of those who are experiencing some discouragement in their life right now. And I just want to lift you up and encourage you and let you know, yeah, there can be some hard times in your life. Yes, there's going to be some struggles, but I want you to get up, lift your head up, know your worth, know your power, stand in it, know you're somebody, and don't let nobody tell you any differently. Go after your dreams, attack them, attack the day, and live to your highest potential because you deserve it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up.
Look at Blue's Clues.
The Lord takes care of all kind of people.
Look at Blue's Clues, y'all.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
That looks really pretty. I love that. It came out really nice.
I like that
Oh,
pink.
yeah,
Pink
I
on
love
pink.
Oh, it's pink? It looks like
Pink.
purple.
It's pink and purple.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Thank you.
I love them. They're so pretty, right, guys? I haven't got this kind of dark pink for a long time, but I really like it. thought you didn't like that. Going into Mo's.
Hi.
What am I gonna get? What do you want to get? Let's see. Cheese. I put it back in your wallet. Sour cream, lettuce. See what else did I put on there? Guacamole. I think that's it. And some salsa, please. Oh, it's okay. Look how big that burrito is.
I got cilantro and chicken.
Which one did you get,
And
Lisa?
beans. It's got regular chicken in it. Grilled chicken.
Off the whole store. I always need a belt.
That's cute. How much is it?
I think they're all $2. Sorry. I'm thinking of buying this for my living room. I like this one a lot. And then I like this one too. That one's $20. And then the long one is $16.99. I have to decide which one I like better. What do you think? Sailboat or like a jungle villa thing?
kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice.
So that pelican up there. Y'all see that? Look at this beautiful day. It's a beautiful day over here in Florida, hot and sunny. I'm about to go get myself a drink after I look at this view for a few minutes to give myself some peace. It's Marlene. I just wanted to tell you what I'm up to. It's the first time I'm gonna meet the ladies in the classy group that we have. Is Sharhonda, the Goddess, Hustle to Breathe, and somebody else that I can't remember. I will insert it on the screen. So we're doing our first meetup. So it's about to start. I'm gonna give you guys not all of it, but I'll give you some highlights. So let's go and see what we get to. And I'll give you the highlights real, because y'all nosy. I know y'all wanna know. Come on, let's go.